Hello everyone. So I just wanted to show you how to access the slides, the materials, the homework, and everything from class today. So we're going to our Science Google Classroom. You can access it in two ways. So I'll show you the first way. You can click on the materials and click on the Google Doc here, and you will see that it's all been updated for you. On the side, hopefully, you'll see a little outline. And on this outline, you can click on what you want and it'll take you to that thing. This is a pretty short document, so it's not incredibly important. You can just kind of scroll through. So that's from accessing it from the stream. If you want to access it on the course materials page, we'll see. You'll see it under week 5, September 7th through 11th. And on September 8th, you'll find the assignment here. I hope that's helpful for you. If you need any help, please reach out. I'm happy to help you in any capacity that I can. Cool. So our homework for today, quick reminder, pages 3 through 10, please read them in your textbook. I have linked the textbook here. It should pop up like so. And we're reading this one, so it'll take you straight to page 3 on fossil dating. And you're going to click through using these arrows, and you're going to read to page 10. Page 10 is here, okay? I don't know what cool things you can do I don't think you can do cool things on this. There is an interactive, you can zoom in by double clicking it. That's pretty cool. There's an interactive version of your textbook on the FOSS website. If you know how to access that through Clever, you can go ahead and do that. If you would like help accessing the interactive version of the textbook, please let me know and I will create a video to show you how I can use one of your logins or something. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.